Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Photos and confirming you're in the correct Google account. This determines which library gets backed up. Once signed in, make sure you're on Wi-Fi to prevent data usage, then tap your profile avatar in the top right. From that menu, choose Photos settings to access backup options. This step is essential because changing the account or network later can switch which folders are uploaded and how much data is consumed. Now focus on the core options. Turn backup and sync on or off depending on whether you want automatic uploads. Once enabled, choose upload size. Original preserves full resolution but uses storage, while Storage Saver reduces file size to save space. Next, pick which device folders to include, like screenshots or WhatsApp images, and decide if uploads can use cellular data for photos and videos. Making these choices, finish by reviewing your Google account storage, and if needed, running free up space to delete local copies already backed up. To confirm changes, trigger a manual backup by pulling down on the photo's main screen. This forces a sync so you can see immediate results. If backups stall, make sure to sign out and back in, clear the app cache and device settings, and restart the phone. This sequence resolves most common permission and connectivity glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.